The result complement doubt has different meanings according to other structures. The first one is to express that the action achieves a purpose or has a result. The next one implies that a person or thing arrives at a particular place with an action. The third one indicates how long the action continues. The last one suggests a state of action or quality attained to a certain extent. Let's learn how to use it in Chinese in today's lesson. The first one is to express that the action achieves a purpose or has a result.
请问你在哪里买到这双鞋的呢？
Where did you buy the pair of shoes?
逛了大半天，他还是没买到喜欢的衣服。
After shopping for a long time, she still couldn't find the clothes she liked.
大学毕业后，我找到了一份好的工作。
After graduating from college, I found a good job.
他还是没找到遗失的钱包。
She still hasn't found the missing wallet.
他在图书馆借到了几本参考书。
She borrowed some reference books from the library.
我下午去图书馆，没借到书。
I went to the library in the afternoon, but I couldn't borrow any books I wanted.
我听到了他唱歌的声音。
I heard his singing voice.
我还没听到关于这件事的消息。
I haven't heard anything about it yet.
我一走进厨房就闻到烧焦的味道。
As soon as I walked into the kitchen, I could smell a burning smell.
因为鼻塞，所以我没有闻到房间里的味道。
I didn't smell the room because of my stuffy nose.
今天在学校碰到你真是高兴。
Nice to meet you at school today.
到目前为止，他还没碰到工作上的困难。
So far, she has not encountered any difficulties at work.
我们在工作中难免会遇到困难。
We will inevitably encounter difficulties in our work.
他到了30岁，还没遇到适合结婚的对象。
He has reached the age of 30 and has not met a suitable partner for marriage.
见到老师走进教室，学生们都拿出课本来。
Seeing the teacher walk into the classroom, the students took out their textbooks.
好久没见到爷爷，真是想念他。
I haven't seen my grandfather for a long time, and I miss him.
你收到我寄给你的信了吗？
Did you get the letter I sent you?
我还没收到学校寄来的入学通知书。
I am still waiting to receive the admission letter from the school.
我在咖啡厅等了半个小时，他终于来了。
I waited in the cafe for half an hour, and he finally came.
我在咖啡厅等了2个小时都没等到他。
I waited 2 hours at the coffee shop, and he didn't show up.
我拿到了医师开给我的处方签。
I got my prescription signed by the doctor.
我还没拿到去英国的签证，所以不能去旅游。
I haven't got a visa to the UK yet, so I can't go for travel.
我终于租到了又便宜又好的房子。
I finally rented a cheap and nice house.
因为租金没谈好，所以我没有租到那间套房。
I didn't get that suite because the rent wasn't negotiated. The second one implies that a person or thing arrives at a particular place with an action.
每天早上妈妈都陪着我走到公车站。
Every morning my mother walks with me to the bus stop.
因为不舒服，我还没走到学校就回家了。
Because I was not feeling well, I went home before I even walked to school.
手机掉了，我回到公园去找我的手机。
I dropped my phone. I went back to the park to find my phone.
一直到下班，他都没有回到办公室来。
He didn't come back to the office until after getting off work. The third one indicates how long the action continues.
大雨一直下到天亮才停。
It rained until dawn.
我昨天晚上看书看到10点才睡觉。
I read a book last night and didn't go to bed until 10 o'clock. The last one suggests a state of action or quality attained to a certain extent.
在夏天这里的气温会高到摄氏38度。
In summer, the temperature here can be as high as 38 degrees Celsius.
他的事业已经发展到高峰。
His career has reached its peak. Have you learned it all? Please feel free to leave a comment below and give me more feedback. If you like today's lesson content, please click the like button below, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.